Other for social media highways no so ISC. What I say highways no so ISC. Other for me some makwaba about KSTV so. Some makacha say subscribe to KSTV, na like na share, na bibi be better from the bedroom. Other for okay say 7th December ya na to aba ye presidents usisu CCI John Dramani Mahama. Na ya fa na say e didn't see so no. Asofo ni baby e ba bonten e be ka say e ma prophet Badu Kobi. Eba boti ebe kan nsem bi blasting prophet Rev Owusu Bempah o ka sa asem no o kai pa Badu Kobi ebe ka sa say Owusu Bempah egi ka say wonu moja akotu ni bafunu bi ni ade as adofo nsem na Badu Kobi kan na ye nsem amu odu ye pa ye ko te Badu Kobi sisi ne nsem bra sisi ya ye ko te Badu Kobi.
When people were in power, who are those who caused us suffering? That is very soon and for another day. I'm coming at them. They should get ready and go to court and prove where I drink blood. They think I'm going to spare them? No. They won't have peace. You create trouble here, then you enter here. Enter here for what? Who's listening to me today? You'll be shocked to see what will happen. Evil people. I get to airport, I must be searched. I get to this place, this must happen to me. I'm in my car, they stop me. We must search the car. By only one man of God. Just because he said MPP was in power. This man of God, I told him, and he was joking with me. I said to him that when MPP comes, that was 2016, they will arrest you. He said, what I say? I said, they will arrest you. They arrested him. I have not started. They think they have a safe place here. And now to Sami Jemfi. Now to Sami Jemfi. NDC, listen. Sami Jemfi, those who stood for NDC, for God to bring the chosen one. Now on Sunday, you go to places to say, thank them for what? What did he do? When he was speaking against your flag bearer, blood on his hands, we were working against it. Now you rush, you go, my son Sami Jemfi, you better stop this thing. I don't need glory, I need truth. NDC cannot take my life to heaven. I need truth. This is how the election has gone. This is how everything was worked. Not what somebody is making boastfulness about. You are great. Great and so what? If you are great, even your auditorium, oh great man, you have not built auditorium. What is greatness for? They are going to see our fury soon. So God bless Nigel Gaisie prophet. God bless Jesus and Obofour. God bless Opambo. God bless Ebenard. And God pan.
Obofour, what would say in some Badu Kobi kan in some Badu Kobi kan easy. Badu Kobi kan in some way and one train. And Captain Kodo Smart. Captain Smart. The controversial journalist, Wabekasa. The controversial journalist Akasa had to toe in some massa. And some Wakati Badu Kobi easy. Wakati Badu in some Captain Smart Akati Badu Kobi asan to one ama NDC so for say munye din so called NDC professors in some munye din asan ka say wo ye so for na umma wano so etia Rev Owusu Bempah obeba fom asemina Captain Smart ka uji tu mana say wo ye so for na umma wano etra Rev Owusu Bempah obeba fom Captain Smart in some wakeka no. You say your prophet class say afiwe Captain Smart beko parliament and so what yana. You say Captain Smart beko parliament too. Why Captain Smart or journalist in some ultimate can no beko parliament. The Captain Smart ko more parliament there in some of the baba no there. Otherfore, and there is you. Yanko Nuya TV. Yanko say some Captain Smart e kan e Nuya TV. Yanko te Captain Smart and some Captain Smart akano. Or for message Oba subscribe to KSTV. Now while I can watch it to KSTV. You're going to take Captain Smart.
Bia winning. No be cassette Owusu Bempah wuja bedum. Oh, Opa Gidi, Opa Jai.
So for cassette,
I am sitting here and I want to say this finally.
So for Owusu Bempah.
Nipa bia wo na wo se wo ye sofo. Na wo sa wo ye political pastor. Wo cassette Owusu Bempah wuja bedum.
Wow. But I know apostle the mood pa.
enye ni mu a eduro Owusu Bempah de ehum nenam odem frama enanam so what I say ade etimi stopping frama yensuo eti age asofo a okuta nsuo nam na betimi hye Owusu Bempah wokwam me ka kire mu a mo se mo na mo se se mo ye NDC asofo no shut up
and do what?
They should shut up because 2020 when Moshen say Mahama Ben when he lost.
Na the farwa.
They should shut up. Yeah, woman from woman soro 2020. Nigel Gaisie Badu Mahama Ben when Owusu. Badu Kobi Badu Mahama Ben when Owusu. 2016 woman in Aso Badu Mahama Ben when Owusu. We knew he was going to lose and he lost. Because from na airborne na nye ni padre mframa. Sa o kasa obi bedi nkunim na odi nkuwu a enkyere se esa o to sa nipa ne twene what I say
Yeah.
asofo na wo say ni no o ma dampare hunhun awo
Me shem kom.
yes they agreed dampare hunhun awo
No mo ko fa imufia.
eti emra wo gya enkyene fi soro baaye no na wo preserve wo mo a enye yie oh wo wanka so mo te ase wo mo ne bi wo mo kɔ to mo bi America no mo te ase emre ya ye wo mi no enye sofo bi ampa ebo na nyame betie ba nyame betie nipa mpa ebo
Wani.
titwi na America na se enye sofo bi ampa ebo na nyame betie nipa bi mpa ebo enti me mfa ka sok ne che entare wa pampa mu atiko enda ada obi ahui
Bibini nipa o. Gwen. De wuye.
men fata de tenten emu shining dada obia
Gwen.
The shining.
De wuye pa kase.
Shining.
men ma obia nse da mo clerical nse suit ekwe da say it the Lord master Jan say wunu no
Only me, yeah, dear, you're careful. I'm too more than
I'm telling you
Ojai.
if say so for be any krom ho futuro
Ojai.
o ka say so beto
Ojai.
me say
Ojai.
so for be ho futuro a o ka say yesua Bahama in wi a say so to na mo e
At all.
where were the pastors where were the prophets
Man Tibi.
At all.
but I sat here and said that yesua Bahama in wi a no me kan mrenu in a sense so beto 7th January December na bema so many places about no entimi maso
Ojai.
and I say 7th January
Ojai.
yesua Bahama in wi a de chia nsuo no beto me menye commissioning
I see.
but I still hold the kankan yame
Ojai.
it is time so ya atoi me can't throw plane
Ojai.
so akwaduro so we are bayfo we are come and try you be proud
He is smart.
what to say team sunsun na hono me wenya stroke no academic so so biem
To wear futu.
enti me tumofo emo bia me hye nkwase nkom bia biom sesi a wo mi nobody should dare try memma say he beto aba na me hu say asofo na ye woni bebre 80% kasa kwa
Okoto kusidamra.
Omuni eni.
oh trap
Mama nkwati anayegwie.
Debi womo kasa kwa I'm telling you today me so womo kasa kwa oh womo kasa kwa Debi oje womo kasa kwa
Asofo.
oh bebre fan kasa kwa me na mka kire hwe minima asofo bi okrum ha me yare ni yeso mra me bompa e mame wan hwe me soro fi me yare mpa so pa na so orden saka wa bra oti o ya obenya yefun yare aka ho oh and we no enye se obi akodi aduro ese wo ma wo ho kwan na utie osoro na wotimi ate asase ase cause se wantimi antie osoro na wo hwe wie mu a wontie asase ase cause nyame otesoro na asase ye de 90 aso nti etese wodi kan tie osoro bebi anyankopon ti ewo asa watimi ate bebi anan esinase. But let me say this on record. Kufuor ya bosumo.
Bosumo the anniversary.
If you don't know, you don't know. Kufuor ya bosumo.
Obofour dia.
Wo pese wunya nkwatete a emfa je Kufo ndi agro. I am telling you today.
Obofour dia.
Fa Freemason to nche Freemason fund there o. Anyi. Fa to nche. Omo no mo ye Freemason for ba won ka so mo hu yeso a omo say no. Bibi na ekono. Fa Freemason to nche on the dressing na afayo market so akotam tawo no dey asensen anim. No I am say am Ankori ko lusu. On try Freemason.